Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm today with this most like
Asmau, please stop. She glammed my face. Don't mind this woman. All these makeup parties, I don't like making all themselves.
Now, you know, just get tired.
They always get tired of making all themselves.
I need your face to breathe. You know, by right, makeup is not supposed to be on all the time. You need to allow the face to breathe. Exactly.
Okay.
So welcome to my channel. Now I've been wanting to do this video. I've already done a body scrub. Now I want to do a face scrub. So guys, what Tuche is around, I was like, okay, Tuche, let's work together. I know you're not an organic person, but come on, come into my world and see what it's like.
I'm trying to learn.
You know, but you know, there's nothing as good as knowing what you're putting in your body. Like knowing the history of everything you're putting in your body. Okay, now we're doing a body scrub.
Okay.
And sorry, a face scrub. Alright. Now the body scrub, I'll link the video on the suggestion or I'll link it below. Now that body scrub I use is soap base. Okay. And basically why I use soap base for body is the fact that our bodies are more like something more slimy goes better. I don't know, like each time I will use my body scrub, I don't even use soap again. Okay. Yes, and my products, I do them to be skin friendly for all skins. Either you have an oily skin, or you have a dry skin, or you have a normal or combination skin. It's just good for you. Okay, now today is a face scrub. Now, I know my customers will be like, what's the difference between body and face scrub?
So why do you use cream base for the body? Yes. I'm not using for the face.
No, sorry, cream base is for the face. Why the soap base is for the body. Now, technically, it's just that I want to be skin friendly for all skin types. Now, when I use soap base for face scrub, it's going to rub off on those with the dry skin. That's going to take too much oil from their skin and it's going not to be nice. Now, it might even give them reaction. So that is why it's advisable whatever you do, especially if you're a formulator. Because I am a formulator and most of my products, I like to do them to be skin friendly for all skin types. So today is the face scrub. So I don't know, should I do one thing or you do? Try now. Don't be afraid.
Let me try. Okay, let me try.
Don't be afraid. Alright, this is my cream base. Besides, I have a video. Yeah, I have a video for my cream base. Yeah, so I will link it. Go there and watch how this is done from the very scratch. But do you know how proud I feel when I tell you my products? Because I know how I started from zero to 100. Exactly. You understand? So now this is it. Now you're using spoons. These spoons are calibrated.
Okay.
Okay, we're just doing a small quantity. You're going to go home with it and try it. Alright, so we're doing maybe just a tablespoon. So take from the cream base a tablespoon.
Is it too full like this?
It's okay, not bad. Not bad. We are putting inside this container. Just a small, you know she's a learner. So let's don't go and give her plenty quantity. Very good. Okay. Alright, after doing that, now drop, make sure you take it out. Make sure you take it out. Use the smaller one, take it out. Yeah. I don't know if they are seeing. I hope they are seeing though.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's very sticky.
Yeah, I wish you were wearing a glove. Oh, I just have an oversight. So I just keep it over there. Alright, now we're going in with our oils first. Now, as I told you,
what oil is this?
Okay, now this is an unrefined sesame oil. This was done locally for me and sent from the northern part of Nigeria. This is local, unadulterated, local from the source. Sure, you understand? When you're exfoliating, you have to make it frictionless. So it doesn't, you know, it's the face now. My sister, if there's anything we're afraid of in here, you know, so I don't keep tugging the skin and all that. Alright, this is 1 teaspoon. So I want you to add inside. Fill it up, don't be scared. Hey, which has it coming from little? Thank you.
Just 1 teaspoon. That's
okay. It's very, very okay. Alright, as usual, I always like to use essential oil, and my essential oil of choice is the rosemary essential oil. I love the rosemary, and you know the rosemary has a very good. First and foremost, is an anti-aging. This is an anti-aging recipe, and it has to do with the face. So anything you're talking, so you have to like it's something that this rosemary has very good anti-aging properties. And this is a Himani brand. I said in most of my videos, I have enjoyed Himani brands, and they are not too harsh to the skin. So I use them in a good quantity. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Okay, because they are not harsh.
They are not harsh. Yeah, they are not harsh.
So I use 1 teaspoon.
No, sweetheart, we're using now essential oil is a little bit aggressive. And that's why sometimes I tell people with sensitive skin, they should do a patch test. Maybe rub it somewhere, maybe it's inside here. Just rub it on your, you know, just rub it and see how it's going to react. If it reacts negatively, then you should know that you need to dilute it a lot. But if it doesn't, then you should know that your body is taking it. But Himani products for sure are diluted essential oil.
So this is 1.5 teaspoon, right?
No, this
half teaspoon.
I'm making progress, right?
Yes.
We're making mad progress.
Making serious progress. Okay, so what next?
Alright, so now we're done with oils. Now let me tell you something about formulation. It's step by step. If you're doing oils, complete oils. If you're doing liquid, complete liquids. If you're doing powders, so now you are done with oil. Your two oil of choices was the sesame oil, which was the Korea oil. Then the rosemary was the essential oil. That's okay. Essential oils cannot work without Korea oil. So Korea oils can work fine without essential oils. Are you seeing what's happening? So essential oils kind of depend on Korea oil. But then you could use this without. Yes, but then we cannot ignore the benefits of essential oils. Come on. Alright, now we're done with the oils. Let's go to our powders. Now our powders mainly our granules. Now this is the salt form. Come on, the popular salt form that you know it comes in stone form. Then when you grind it now, it becomes no, you can't use it in a stone form. So you now grind it into this part, and then okay, now you're taking one of it.
This half teaspoon.
Yes, half teaspoon and add. No, that's too much. Make it half. Just try. Put your there. Now you know salt for night. It's too much on the skin. It can be painful.
Okay.
Especially for sensitive skin.
Yes,
but it's good for rashes.
Most times when you use some soap or scrub on your face.
With so much of sulfur, yes. So now the properties, one of the benefits of sulfur is anti-acne, acne, eczema, rashes.
Wow.
Sulfur, yes. That's how. Now when you use it for hair products, it helps with dandruff. Yes. So now let's move to our bentonite clay.
Oh my God! I need a book and pen.
All right, this is bentonite
my
clay.
lecture
Now
today.
this is amazing. Now you could use this for a face mask. It has good anti-aging properties. You could dilute it with rose water or with aloe vera and wear it as your mask on your face. For like 30 to 40 minutes. It's very, very good. Like, in fact, I can't do it without a mask. For me, mask has really boosted, a glow and confidence on my face because it takes away the toxins. Like, you just see my face. I'll show you my picture now. My face used to be very hot before I now walked on. Yeah, I will do a video especially for that one. So this one draws out toxins. Now there are so many types of clay. By the way, let me quickly tell you about it. There's the Indian clay, Indian healing clay, there's the Chinese clay, there's the kaolin clay, there's the bentonite clay. You understand? And they function almost all the same. But this is the bentonite clay, is one of my favorites. You know, just look for what works for you. So I don't restrict. Yes, I don't restrict. But I use it to make soap. It's also an amazing ingredient in my handmade soaps. Yes. So I don't restrict it from using any clay. It works almost the same. Alright. So now you're going to also take this. You're going to take a quarter of a teaspoon and add inside your syrup. It's too much. This is a powder. It's a powder. I know it's a very small quantity. Alright, good. Let's do it. Very good. So you're actually using a quarter, but not. It shouldn't be like too filled to the brim. You know, just some of these things. You can't say they have a specific measurement. Sometimes it's just what works like when you see yes and what you want. This draws out toxins. And besides, this cup is made for adults. So we have, we go out with those kind of but guess what? Not the normal charcoal, my sister. This is activated charcoal.
Oh really?
This is a more refined form of the normal charcoal.
This is our normal charcoal. I see people use it for
yeah.
Normal charcoal.
Yes, my dear. Yes. So and my sister, don't worry yourself. It's not everything. Like we are blessed with so many natural ingredients. Right, the same thing. But then guess what? Now the activated charcoal is you can add true step like just depending on the abrasiveness, and don't forget the face, so you have to be very careful with your face. But you could add because this the particles of this activated charcoal is not that harsh.